Okay, here we go with the unboxing of an iPhone 13. Hello, let's make a trade. Yeah, I'm going to trade mine in rather than keep it. So I think I just put my iPhone 11 in here and take it back after I backed it up. By the way, I did pick up some of these air tags. I may do a review on that later after I check them out, see how they do. Put them on put them on your luggage if you're going overseas or something, kind of track it. But here we go. Here's the goods. 8 or 10 months later. Went with a mint green or whatever color that is. Looks like you got to pull this off. But anyway, I'll keep you guys posted on how this is going. Looks like you do this here. I did go ahead and get the larger, the iPhone. Oh, look at that. It's nice and pretty. Kind of like green. It's my high school colors, being an athlete. Let's see what this thing looks like. There it is in your hand. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, it is a little bit bigger if you're going to watch a movie on a plane or something. Man, this camera is supposed to be like awesome. So here's my first look. Don't tell me they changed this thing. Is that still a lightning? Yeah, it looks like a lightning to me. Good. Wouldn't be surprised they didn't. And there's the mini USB, but it's a lightning, looks like. And designed by Apple in California. Well, that's comforting, not China. All right, there you have it, folks. There's phase one of the unboxing of the, maybe that's Alpine Green instead of mint green, but look at all those cameras. You can fade in, fade out, focus in the back, focus in the front. More on that later as you watch Rod's random reviews. Be sure to subscribe if you want to keep getting some updates on how this is going. Some sort of a little tool here. Guess I'll have to find out what that is, maybe to reset your device. More on that later.